Hi. Welcome to The Meditation Way. Before watching this video about meditation, don't forget to subscribe for more free videos about meditation. So now let's start. Tips for beginners in meditation. If you are interested in becoming more meditative and focused, then you have found the right page. This article discusses some simple methods that are helpful in the pursuit of meditation. There are many different ways in which meditation can be practiced. Some of these methods involve taking part in a guided meditation, such as the one in The Power of Listening, while others involve the practice of meditation at home, either alone or in a group setting. One thing to remember, though, is that if you want to make meditation a daily routine, you need to practice in a certain way, or you will find that it doesn't come naturally. Meditation is essentially a process by which a person uses a mental technique, like focus, mindfulness, concentration, or mindfulness, to train mind and attention, and get into a calm and focused state. When you begin to meditate, it can feel as if nothing will come to you. That may be the case for some people, but for others, meditation will be a constant stream of thoughts that sweep over them. While this can be very distracting, it is important to keep focused on your meditation practice. It can be tempting to think about the outside world, and how it affects you, when you are trying to meditate. If you feel the need to think about what you are doing, do it briefly, and always do it consciously, without distraction. Otherwise, the thoughts will take over, and you may not be able to focus. If you don't meditate correctly or regularly, then it is possible that you could lose focus during your meditation session. You should be aware of what is going on around you and try to pay attention to your breathing. Your mind needs to be totally relaxed before you begin to meditate, and you must do this slowly and deliberately. If you are anxious, tense, stressed, angry, scared, frustrated, etc., then you need to consider these things and learn how to control them. Before beginning your meditation, to become truly relaxed and focused, you will need good quality equipment, such as a quiet place where you can meditate comfortably, without interruption. Also, there is a certain amount of discipline you must have in order to meditate successfully. The more disciplined you are, the easier it is for your mind to focus. Be open and free and calm. The more discipline you have, the less chance you have that you will allow your mind to wander. If your mind wanders, you can try to bring it back to the mind, but not so often that it becomes irritating. You can also learn how to block out distractions, the world, and just concentrate on one thought or idea, such as a color, sound, smell, an image, etc., to focus your mind. One way of doing this is to imagine it as a balloon going up and down. When you think of one object, focus on it until you are fully absorbed and can't think of anything else, then you know that you have achieved full concentration. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more about meditation.